2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro is back, and it's more aggressive, capable, and advanced than ever before. Designed for serious off-roaders, this truck combines legendary Tacoma durability with the latest in off-road technology and hybrid performance. It's built from the ground up to take you further into the wild without compromising everyday usability. Under the hood is Toyota's new iForce Max hybrid powertrain, pushing out 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. That means this mid-size truck now offers full-size muscle with instant torque delivery thanks to its electric motor assist. Whether you're climbing steep trails or towing on the highway, this powertrain delivers smooth, responsive acceleration. The suspension setup is all new, featuring Fox QS3 internal bypass shocks with remote reservoirs and a rear multi-link coil spring design for increased articulation and control. The TRD Pro is also lifted higher than previous models, with a 2.5-inch front and 1.5-inch rear lift, giving it improved ground clearance and approach angles. The bold exterior includes a heritage-inspired front grille with an integrated LED light, bar, TRD skid plates, a new high-clearance front bumper, and a redesigned hood scoop. On each side, blacked-out over fenders and 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires wrapped around 18-inch TRD wheels make it clear this truck means business. Inside, the cabin is just as rugged as it is refined. TRD Pro exclusive isodynamic performance seats use an air oil damping system to reduce body movement on rough terrain. The interior also features red accented stitching, a 14-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Technology takes center stage in the TRD Pro, with trail cameras, a 360-degree multi-terrain monitor, and advanced features like crawl control and multi-terrain select. These systems work together to help navigate through sand, mud, rocks, or snow with ease, giving the driver confidence in any condition. Toyota also paid attention to overlanders and weekend explorers. The truck bed now includes a 2,400-watt AC power outlet, reinforced utility rails, and optional accessory panels for mounting gear. With an integrated roof rail system and available bed racks, it's ready to carry rooftop tents, kayaks, and recovery tools. For those concerned with real-world practicality, the TRD Pro can tow up to 6,500 pounds and offers increased payload capacity compared to the previous generation. Despite all the off-road enhancements, it remains quiet and composed on pavement, making it a comfortable daily driver. The updated TNGA-F platform not only makes the Tacoma stronger and more rigid, but also reduces weight for better performance and efficiency. Thanks to hybrid tech, it offers solid fuel economy while still delivering more power than ever before in a Tacoma. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro starts at around $53,000. For that price, you get cutting-edge performance, a modern yet rugged interior, and the confidence to go anywhere, on or off the map. It's not just a truck, it's a tool for adventure, built for those who refuse to stay on the road.